Scion Showdown car show. We're about to give out the trophies.
10-inch sub with a Rockford Fosgate amp. My first little trophy there. Yeah, pretty much it. Glad you guys did the show this year. I appreciate it. Hopefully get a good turnout.
Alright, right before judging, how do you feel? Are you nervous?
Yes, there's so much competition out here.
I know.
Nearly excited.
But we got to give it up to Andres for the number 16 Orange TC.
Picture, yay.
This is behind the scenes.
Alrighty. Now, of course, we got the most XBs here that I've seen in a long time. But of course, there's no shocker. Best XB goes to Octavio. Where you at, big guy?
Yeah.
There he is.
Yay, photo.
Smile for the camera.
Land Toyota Scion, they're pulling out after the big Scion car show, Scion Showdown. So